Heartily welcome you all to Gurudeva online classes. Dear students, we are in the chapter of Introduction to Sociology. In this chapter, in our previous class, we are discussing about the prominent Indian sociologists. In this topic, we are discussing about the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and also the G.S. Gurre. Right? So now we are going to discussing about the another greatest Indian sociologist, that is M.N. Srinivas. The M.N. Srinivas, he was recognized internationally, is internationally renowned Indian sociologist. Right? M.N. Srinivas' full name is M means Mysore, N means Narasimhachar Srinivas. Mysore Narasimhachar Srinivas was born November 16, 1916 at Mysuru. His parents were, his father was Narasimhachar and his mother was Rukmini. He completed his Master of Arts, MA degree and LLB, Bachelor of Law and also the PhD, Doctor of Philosophy degree at Bombay University. Dr. M.N. Srinivas earned Doctor of Literature degree at Oxford University, and he worked in Delhi University as a professor of the sociology, and is popularized. M.N. Srinivas was popularized in the field-based sociological studies. M.N. Srinivas was popularized in the field-based sociological studies while studying in the Stanford University at California. Field study notes were lost. Hesitation of the students. He lost his field study notes. On the memory of the field study notes, he wrote a book. That book name was A Remembered Village. A Remembered Village. It was published in 1976. It is a popularized book. So it will publish for many times, and also under the guidance of his teacher Radcliffe Brown. Okay, Radcliffe Brown was the teacher of M.N. Srinivas. Under the guidance of Radcliffe Brown, the Remembered Village, this book was published for many times. And another works of M.N. Srinivas was The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India. It was published in 1952. The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India and the Indian Villages, and also the Social Change in Modern India. It was published in 1966. These are the important works of M.N. Srinivas. Right? A Remembered Village, The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India, Indian Villages, Social Change in Modern India. Okay, these are the main works of M.N. Srinivas. M.N. Srinivas was also the Indian prominent sociologist. He is internationally renowned Indian sociologist. Right? Another prominent Indian sociologist is C. Parvathamma. C. Parvathamma, she was the contemporary sociologist from Karnataka. She grew up in the different situation and lot of determination. So she became the leading sociologist of India. C. Parvathamma was born in the village of Saigalli. Now it is present in Davanagere district. Before it is present in Chitradurga district. She was born in June 1928. With the absence of her original birth certificate, we don't have the original date of her birth. With the help of date as per records in the school, we can say she was born June 1928. She lost her father when she was in 9-month baby. She completed her lower primary education, their village at Saigalli. It is the single teacher school. Then he joined middle school, neighboring village of the Lokikere. Then she joined high school education at Davanagere. With the help of her teacher Kantaraj Shetty, she joined intermediate with the accommodation of the hostel facility. She joined intermediate education at Mysuru Maharani College. She took arts in intermediate and she was passed with the second class. She was passed with second class in intermediate, and she joined to Bachelor of Arts in Honor Social Philosophy at Maharaja College in Mysuru. She passed with first rank in BA, Bachelor of Arts. And then after the guidance of her professor, she joined foreign university for the higher education. After the completion of the higher education, she came back to Karnataka. She made genuine attempts to spread the learning of the sociology. When she came back to Karnataka, he made genuine attempts to spread the learning of the sociology in Karnataka. Her main contributions are political and religion, and also sociological essay on Veerashaivism, and she studied social economic status of scheduled caste and also scheduled tribes, SC and ST. She studies social and economic status on the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Right? This is the information about the C. Parvathamma. C. Parvathamma, she was the contemporary sociologist from Karnataka. Right? Another Indian prominent sociologist is Iravati Karve. Iravati Karve was the student of G.S. Gurre and the daughter-in-law of Maharshi Karve. Maharshi Karve was the famous Indian sociologist. Right? She completed her Master of Arts degree at Bombay University. She worked as a sociology professor at Pune College. And her main contributions are kinship and organization in India. Kinship means blood relationship and organization in India, and Indian society and institution and relationship. These are the main works of Iravati Karve. Iravati Karve, she is also India's prominent sociologist. Right? And the next one is A.R. Desai. A.R. Desai. A.R. Desai full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai. Akshay Ramlal Desai time is 1915 to 1994. Akshay Ramlal Desai, he was the head of the Department of Sociology at Bombay University in University Grant Commission. In the University Grant Commission, he is the head of the Department of the Sociology at Bombay University. He was born in 1915. He is also the student of G.S. Gurre. And he was the follower of the Marxist ideology. Marxist ideology means Karl Marx. He was the follower of the Karl Marx. Karl Marx was the famous sociologist. He was the follower of the Karl Marx. That's why he was following the Marxist ideology in the sociological studies. Right? And also he identified, A.R. Desai was identified as the Marxist sociologist. He was identified as the Marxist sociologist. His famous works are The Sociological Background of Indian Nationalism and Indian Rural Sociology and Slum and Urbanization. They are the main works of A.R. Desai. The Sociological Background of Indian Nationalism, Indian Rural Sociology, and next one is Slum and Urbanization. They are the main works of A.R. Desai. Right? Dear students, in this class we are discussed about the Indian prominent sociologist M.N. Srinivas, C. Parvathamma, Iravati Karve, and also the A.R. Desai. I hope you all understood the lesson. Right? Thank you. Thank you one and all.